I just got this leak-proof denture bath case. I'm going to use it for my Invisalign retainer. This was sent to me so I could try it out. It can be used for removable dentures, clear braces, orthodontic braces, brace bites, and even jewelry. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, definitely looks leak-proof. Here's how it opens. Okay, so you have to lift this up and then flip this back. Wow, okay, that was not that easy to open, but I can definitely see how it'll be leak proof. Okay, we've got this insert in here. It's a very thick and quality. I can't, smash it or anything. It's a very sturdy material. Same with this. You can tell this seal is quite serious. So I'm gonna wash it off and then put my Invisalign retainer in it, and then we'll test it to make sure it's leak proof. I just need to show you that this isn't as hard to open as I thought in the first place. So now I've kind of got the hang of it. Flip, open, no big deal. So originally I said it was really hard to open. It was just for the first time for me. Okay, got my retainer in there. Fill it up. Some water. Now I drop one of my little cleaning tabs in there. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're gonna test the leak proofness. Let's see. Yeah, there's no leaking happening in this. I can shake it. I don't know if I should shake it because of the little tablet in there, but this is so hard and sturdy. This is what I had been using here. So flimsy compared. I mean, it's fine, but if I was gonna travel, definitely take this because I could throw this in my suitcase and be very confident that it wouldn't leak and it wouldn't get smashed by anything. I could put a really hard book on this and it wouldn't budge. So I like to have this for travel and for home because I've actually dropped this or it's gotten knocked a few times, and if you don't shut it super tight, it's gonna leak. This one is definitely not gonna leak, and it's not gonna pop open either because you have to manually lift this and then lift this to get it open. So yep, I'm a big fan. This is what I'll be using from now on. I also like that once this is done and I'm going to put it in, I can just grab this and airlift it out. So I can just grab them from there and I don't have to dig my fingers into the water to get my retainer out. So just a nice little sensory thing that I appreciate.